Again, I don't see the point. We were awarded by the arbitral tribunal. It is ours. Now, is the gentleman saying the tribunal was mistaken and therefore what was awarded to us should not have been awarded to us?
Would the honorable senator agree that in law a claim to land or waters must be defined by metes and bounds?
We already have an arbitrary ruling in our favor. So the metes and bounds is no longer debatable. The arbitral ruling has awarded the Philippines and recognized our claim vis-a-vis China. It has rejected China's 9-line, 10-line, 9-line claim and has upheld the Philippines' position that what China is doing within the exclusive economic zone of the Philippines is illegal. And therefore, the debate as to whether there are metes and bounds is moot. We can debate until kingdom come, but that will not change the arbitral ruling in our favor, Mr. President.
I beg to disagree. I would like to believe that there has not been any specific computation or coordinates of the West Philippine Sea.
For the indulgence of our colleagues who were not here at the 19th Congress, we had a long discussion on the floor approving the baseline, Philippine Baseline Maritime Zones Act. So meron na po tayong approved and signed by the President. It was the Philippine Baseline Law and the Philippine Archipelagic Sea Lanes.
Yung bang China, meron silang coordinates? Yung 9-line nila?
Wala.
Wala eh. Tayo nga may baseline eh. Sila wala eh. Kung ano maangkinin kanila eh.
Dito po nagkakaroon ng di pagkakaunawaan. Nakala natin may nangunguha ng saang ganang atin, samantalang yung sa ganang atin, hindi pa naman natin alam kung hanggang saan ba siya.
Mr. President, gaya ng nabanggit kanina ng ating mga kasamahan, noong 2024 na ipasa yung RA 12064 na at doon mismo dinebate Section 14, other maritime jurisdictions. The Philippines shall exercise all other maritime rights and jurisdictions in accordance with the UNCLOS, the South China Sea Arbitration, case number 2013-19, international law and other pertinent and regulations of the Philippines. Mr. President, we beg to disagree that the coordinates are not clear, that we have not been able to determine it. We have by law, we have by administrative order, and we have by the arbitral ruling. In addition, if I may, Kalayaan is a municipality of Palawan.
Pag-asa is a barangay.
Yes. And therefore, the exclusive economic zone as defined in UNCLOS provides that it is a sea area extending up to 200 nautical miles from a coastal state's baseline. So the baseline would be the Kalayaan group and 200 nautical miles from the Kalayaan group. So I do not see how the Kalayaan Islands is outside of our exclusive economic zone. I beg to disagree, Mr. President. All these should suffice, Mr. President, for us to assert that China is illegally occupying parts of our exclusive economic zone and is claiming likewise 150,000 square kilometers of our continental shelf and 381,000 square kilometers of our EEZ. I mean, that should suffice.